Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a really cool GitHub project, edge-tts. It's a Python library that lets you use Microsoft Edge's text-to-speech engine without needing Edge itself, or even Windows, or an API key. Pretty neat, huh? Amazing.
That sounds incredibly useful. So no more API keys or wrestling with specific software installations? That's a huge win for developers, right?
Exactly. The core idea is leveraging Edge's online TTS service directly from Python. It's all handled through simple commands. You just install it via pip, and boom, you're ready to go.
So how does the actual usage work? Is it complicated?
Not at all. The command line interface is super straightforward. You can use edge-tts to generate audio files and subtitles with a single command. For example, edge-tts, text, hello world, write media, hello.mp3, write subtitles, hello.srt, creates an MP3 and SRT file. Simple and effective.
I see. And what about customizing the voice? Can you select different accents or genders?
Absolutely. You can use the List Voices option to see all available voices, and then specify one using the Blank Voice option. They've got a wide range of languages and accents. It's really impressive.
That's fantastic. But what about more advanced customization, like controlling the rate, volume, and pitch?
You can definitely fine-tune those parameters using rate, volume, and pitch. Just remember to use the correct format for negative values, like rate equals minus 50%. It's a bit of a quirk, but it's clearly documented.
Interesting. So it seems like SSML support is limited, right? I noticed a mention of that in the documentation.
Yeah, unfortunately, custom SSML is currently limited. Microsoft Service restricts the use of anything beyond what Edge itself can generate. It's a bit of a constraint, but the basic options are already pretty powerful. It's a trade-off for the ease of use and lack of API key requirement.
That's a fair point. So beyond the command line tools, can you use this library directly in Python code?
Oh, absolutely. The GitHub repo has examples showing how to integrate edge-tts into your Python projects. It's designed to be easily embedded, and there are even other projects already using it, like has-edge-tts and podcastfy, which shows its versatility.
Wow, this is really impressive. The fact that it's got 7K stars on GitHub speaks volumes about its popularity and usefulness. It's a great solution for anyone needing a simple, accessible, and powerful text-to-speech tool.
Absolutely. The ease of use, combined with its powerful features, and the fact that it avoids the need for API keys, makes edge-tts a standout project. It's a fantastic example of leveraging existing services in creative ways. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.